My name is IGBO, the first runner-up of Ali Baba General First Concert. Almost a car owner. But I know winner, sha. Please don't look at my size. I'm a married man. With 5 children. DJ na my last born. This country hard. Now I know why Buhari run, come out, leave us, go outside country. Because of Evans. If I say Evans don't really disturb the man, so take in here block. Comment and go the show look on the full again. Now yesterday both joints coming for phone. He said, look, Epito, I want to show. No say show look on the full again. Which kind of celebrity I go put for my show? I say both joint. If want to show, no put techno, no put Two-Face, no put Alibaba, no put FunnyBone. He said, I don't call you a celebrity. I say both joint. If want to show, put Buhari. He said, why? I said, because people want kill him. He no say determine the kind of name you give your pikin, the name go follow him. You can never name your pikin goat. Make it God expect and make it they do like foul, na lie. Now some woman they complain, they give my pastor. Pastor, my pikin today smoke. My pikin today smoke. I go to wonder, why the pikin no go smoke when his son in a basin? Even when you get the kind area where say man they stay, you hear even like VI, like if it's one, Ada, Victoria Island, Ikeja, Yoruba area, you hear area like Okoko, Yalaba, Egbeda, Adegule. The only island where Yoruba gets like Bikorodu. You hear Boma Moto, you hear Moto like Range Rover Sport, Land Rover, Acura, Lexus 350, Venza, Bugatti, X6, Infiniti, Highlander, Mercedes Benz. Ya Yoruba moto, ya moto like Sienna, Peugeot, Volvo, Passat, Danfo, Keke, Okada, Caterpillar. You hear man business, you hear business like exporter and importer, oil and gas, electronics, Yoruba business, you hear business like conductor, Agbero, Vulcanizer, Omonile, Picky Pocket, Baba Ijebu, Babalawo. You hear the kind drink when we say man they drink. You hear drink like Jack Daniels, NC, Moet, Andre, Red Lebe, Campari, Yoruba drink. You hear drink like Baby Ogu, Ago Jeji, Orimalu. Thank you very much. God bless you.